Drones over military bases, airports shut, no clear origin. And now Europe is seeing the same pattern, just as the US did in 2024. What's behind it? Are we watching a carefully calibrated pressure campaign, or something even more covert? Beginning 22 September 2025, Danish authorities recorded multiple drone sightings over Copenhagen airport and nearby military sites. The incursion paused commercial flights for nearly 4 hours. By 24 to 25 September, the wave expanded. Drones appeared near military air bases, including the home of Denmark's F-16 and F-35 jets. In response, Denmark imposed a 1-week nationwide ban on all civilian drones from Monday to Friday to prevent confusion between legal drones and hostile ones. The defense minister called the incidents a hybrid attack, but importantly, no one has been publicly confirmed to be behind them. Prime Minister Mette Frederiksen said she cannot deny in any way that this is Russia, citing patterns in recent European drone incursions. Flashback to late 2024 and early 2025. Skies over New Jersey and the US Northeast filled with mysterious drones. The phenomenon began in November 2024, spreading to neighboring states. Public reports describe large drones, silent, often hovering near military sites, power infrastructure, and bridges. Investigators, including the FBI, collected thousands of tipline reports, yet by January 2025, no conclusive origin emerged. The White House claimed that some drones were FAA authorized, and that there was nothing nefarious apparently. But the vagueness only fueled more questions. Denmark is not alone. In Poland recently, jets were scrambled after Russian drones allegedly violated airspace. The attribution is stronger there. Across Europe and in the Baltics, governments are openly discussing counter-UAS systems, what they call drone walls, and coordinated defense measures. The timing matters. Denmark holds the rotating EU presidency and is hosting major summits this week. The drone ban overlaps with those high-profile meetings. So why is it so difficult to pin these on a state actor, even when suspicion is high? Here are the key technical and strategic challenges. They're small drones with a low radar signature. They have either spoofing transponders or spoofing IDs, meaning that you're unable to tell where they're from or who owns them. They may be launching from a ship or other maritime launch pads. They're either in local proximities or cutouts, meaning that they're in areas that are very close to the incursions. Decoys or denial campaigns. These factors create plausible deniability. That's often the point. Force reaction, overextend defense, generate public fear. But avoid overt escalation. If you're watching this day by day, these are turning points to monitor. Recovered airframes or wreckage. Telemetry or RF data leaks. If there's any national or NATO statements. If there's an extension of no-fly bans. Any further disruption beyond sightings. Or claims of responsibility or arrests. Whether copycat, probe, or full-blown hybrid assault, drones are redefining how we project power in peacetime. If New Jersey taught us anything, it's that the official story often comes late and remains incomplete. Stay sharp, stay skeptical. Drop your theory below. Are they local actors? Is it Moscow flexing their muscles? Or is it something else entirely? I'll track the forensics as it unfolds. Subscribe and make sure that you ring the bell. This one's far from over. Bye for now.